Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by cosine s squared. Next, we have the formula in here. So we have 1 minus cosine s squared. So I will put this one go to the right. So I will put this one go in here. Number 1, that is about sine s squared plus cosine s squared. So this one divided by this one, cosine divided by this one. And now we have 1 over cosine s squared plus 1 over sine s squared. This one that is about secant of s squared. This one we have cosecant of s squared. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.